Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening the System Control Hub. On Windows, press Windows plus I. On macOS, click the Apple menu, then System Preferences. On Linux, open Settings. Make sure you've saved documents, because interface changes can reposition Windows. Once the Settings app is open, navigate straight to Display, Accessibility, or Appearance. Different OSes label it differently. This gets you to the scaling and font controls quickly, so you can change size without hunting through submenus. Now move to the display or text size. You'll now reduce text by lowering scaling or font settings. On Windows, choose Display Scaling or Advanced Scaling Settings. On Mac OS, adjust Display or Accessibility Zoom/Display. On Linux, use Appearance or Font Settings. Reduce scaling in small steps, for example, from 100% to 90%, to preserve readability. If you see per application controls, change the offending app's text size instead of global UI. Once done, apply or sign out if required to let changes propagate across system surfaces and apps. Finish by applying and testing. Restart apps to confirm sizes updated and reboot if the OS requests it. If text becomes unreadable or UIs overlap, immediately revert scaling or return to the previous setting. Use safe mode or a guest account to reset if the display is unusable. Make sure display drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can misrender fonts. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single app looks wrong, check its own view or accessibility settings before changing global options.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.